Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter which is called as Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. So, what is weather, what is climate, and what are the adaptations of animals to climate? We have studied something in our previous classes also. What is weather? The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. It's called the weather at that place. Means it is the day-to-day condition. It may vary from day to day. Suppose the weather today is cloudy, the weather tomorrow may be bright sunny. The weather day after tomorrow may be rainy, right? So the weather varies from day to day. It changes from day to day. Suppose the weather in the morning was rainy, in the evening it was very sunny, right? So the weather conditions, they vary from time to time, from day to day. There is no particular weather for a complete day or say complete year, right? It varies from day to day and it varies from in the same day also. We have to measure the temperature, we have to measure the humidity, we have to measure the rainfall, wind speed, all these, and then we can find out the weather at that particular day, right? What are the elements of weather? All these things like temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, these all they determine the weather, means they decide what is the weather. The factors which decide what is the weather, how is the weather, these are all called as elements of weather. So temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, these are all elements of weather. Now who decides what is the weather for a particular day? We listen in the news that the weather today was very rainy, that maximum minimum temperature will listen in the news, right? Who decides this weather? Who measures the weather for a day? It's the meteorological department of government. They collect the data, collect the information and they record it. They prepare the weather reports, right? So we come to the next point, maximum and minimum temperature in a day. How is maximum temperature of a day or minimum temperature of a day measured? It is measured with maximum minimum thermometers. Okay, we had studied about these thermometers in the chapter heat. And when are the maximum and minimum temperatures recorded? The maximum temperature of the day is recorded when it is maximum hot. And what is that time? That is the time during afternoon. Right, in the afternoon only the sun is maximum hot, means the weather is maximum hot and maximum temperature is recorded at that time. When is the minimum temperature recorded? It is recorded in the early morning. Okay, at that time only the temperature is very low, it is very cold at that time, so the minimum temperature is recorded in the early morning. And we come to the next point, rain gauge. What is a rain gauge? How do we measure rainfall? Right, rainfall is measured with an instrument, that is rain gauge. It is nothing but a measuring cylinder where markings are made in centimeters. Okay, you can find this measuring cylinder, simple measuring cylinder in laboratories, right? Measuring cylinder with a funnel on the top to collect the rainwater. Okay, it is called as rain gauge. How much rain is collected, that we can measure in centimeters. Now the next point is humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the measurement of how much water vapor is present in the air. Moisture content of the air is called as humidity. Humidity is high at places where more rainfall is occurring. It is also high near the regions where sea is there, nearby a water body. The place there is also high in humidity, right? Because the moisture content is more there, that is why the humidity is more there. And As we know that the presence of sun causes the rise or fall in temperature, right? When the sun is at the top, then at that time the temperature is very high during the daytime, and when the sun is set after the evening, it is cold, right? It is hot during summers, it is cold during winters. Thus the sun also causes the weather changes. Now we come to the next topic, that is climate. What is climate? It is different from weather because weather is the day-to-day changes, but climate is recorded over a period of long time. Say 25 years if we calculate, we have to record the weather day-to-day changes for 25 long years, then only we can say what is the climate of that region, right? It is the average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, right? If I say the climate of Jammu and Kashmir is cold, that means we have recorded the temperatures, maximum minimum temperatures for at least every day for 25 years. Then only we have come to a conclusion that climate of Jammu and Kashmir is cold. Similarly, the climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry. How do we know? Because we noted the temperature changes, we noted the humidity changes for 25 years at least. Then only we have come to a conclusion that climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry. Similarly, the climate of Northeast India is wet. How do we know? Because we have recorded the rainfall for 25 years. Then only we know that it is wet here. So in India, we find different types of climates at different regions, right? So the living things, living beings, they have to develop certain characteristics within them in order to survive in that particular condition, that particular climatic condition. These are called as adaptations. The living beings who live in cold conditions, they have to develop thick fur on their body in order to protect themselves from the cold, right? This is one example of the adaptations, right? We will study more about adaptations in our next class. So if you have any doubt regarding the class, please feel free to call me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe and stay healthy.